The basic rules of successful video game advertising. Number 1. Capturing attention from the first seconds. The first few seconds of your creative are the most important, as they are when you need to capture and hold the audience's attention. This is particularly true in the world of mobile advertising, where viewers can easily skip or dismiss ads that don't interest them. To create a memorable experience, use vivid and dynamic visuals, key game moments, and visual effects. Number 2. Comprehensible gameplay demonstration. Clearly and quickly demonstrate the basic mechanics of the game so that the audience can immediately understand what they need to do. Show the goals and objectives by explaining what must be done to succeed. The plot and gameplay should be clear without words. It is important that the animation and effects create a sense of an original game experience. Number 3. Visual aesthetics. Use high-quality graphics and animations that match the style of the game. All elements should be harmonious with each other. Clear, attractive visuals hold attention and create a positive impression of the game. Use smooth animations, clear images, and harmonious colors. Number 4. A strong narrative. Build a short but exciting story around the gameplay. The main conflict and motivation of the characters must be clearly identified so that the viewer understands what is at stake. The story should develop dynamically, showing progress and overcoming obstacles. The plot elements should be logically connected and lead to a climax, stimulating interest and desire to play. Number 5. Music and sound effects. Choose energetic and appropriate music that enhances the impression of the video. Sound effects make the gameplay more realistic and exciting, highlighting the actions of characters and events in the game. They must be synchronized with visual elements to create a holistic perception. Number 6. Call to action. Include elements that encourage the viewer to interact at the end of the video. The call should be brief and easily visible. For example, download now or play for free. The use of vivid visual elements and persuasive phrases helps to attract attention to the call to action. The CTA is placed at the end of a creative when the viewer is already immersed in the game and is ready to take the next step.